First Watch, The First on Pluto TV. The First is a conservative-leaning digital network available on Pluto TV and other platforms, offering a mix of live programming, opinion shows, and analysis. It emphasizes political commentary and cultural discussions, often presenting perspectives aligned with conservative ideologies. Key features of The First include content and hosts. It features popular conservative commentators such as Dana Loesch, Jesse Kelly, and others, discussing current events, political strategies, and social issues. Shows like The Dana Show are widely recognized for their provocative and engaging content. Availability: The First is free to stream via platforms like Pluto TV, Channel 248, Samsung TV Plus, and others. It is also accessible through its app on Roku, Amazon Fire TV, and Apple devices. Some programs are available live or on demand on social media and the network's website. 24/7 access, the channel operates continuously, offering round-the-clock streaming of shows and live events. If you're interested in conservative viewpoints or lively political debate, The First provides a rich source of content. You can explore it for free on multiple platforms, including Pluto TV.